Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Pool Perfect Max with PHOSfree. What is Natural Chemistry Pool Perfect Max with PHOSfree? Pool Perfect Max is Natural Chemistry's premier maintenance formulation. Added weekly, this product reduces the amount of time and effort you have to spend on pool care. Its key benefits include working as a continuous filter cleaner, removing maintenance levels of problem-causing phosphates, reducing scrubbing of scum lines, and waterline ring polishing water to sparkle like never before. Product benefits: highly concentrated 1 cap per 10,000 gallons per week. Continuously clean the pool's filter and tile line. Helps to keep problem-causing phosphates low. Uses advanced clarification to the polished pool water. Usage directions. Step 1. Shake the bottle well. Contents may settle. Step 2. Weekly, add 1 capful per 10,000 gallons of pool water through the skimmer with the circulation system running. Step 3. Do not shock the pool for at least 24 hours after adding this product. Tip: use PHOSfree Max initially to lower phosphate levels 100 ppb before continuing with this product weekly for maintenance. Test phosphates often and treat if needed. Dosage: add 1 capful per 10,000 gallons of pool water through the skimmer with the circulation system running. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.